guys will see in my content. I might look like it's basically the same day, because it is. I've been doing a lot of sewing and I have a lot of projects to work on, so I'm really just working when I can. So I feel like the videos I'll be posting more recently will definitely be a lot more organic and just raw with my process in making this collection. I hope you guys appreciate the authenticness of the process I'm showing you guys of how I make this collection. So earlier today I finished making a top for my friend for her birthday, which is next week, and I'm planning to ship that tomorrow. Right now I'm about to work on 2 custom orders for the Renee dress, going out to one friend and one new client of mine. So I'm really excited for you guys to see who they end up going to, because one of them will also be posting her wearing the dress and how she styles it, the one who's more of a good friend of mine. The other one, if they do decide to post, it will be really nice to see how they style it as well, and I hope you guys enjoy the content that I end up making through all of the projects I'm working on. So right now I'm gonna cut out the fabric from the sewing pattern that I literally just taped together. I made the pattern on Illustrator like I was mentioning before, and so now I am going to cut out the front and back piece for the Renee dress so I can get to sewing tomorrow. I am in no way sewing tonight because I'm way too tired, so I'm at least just gonna like prep for tomorrow. So I'm gonna cut out the front and the back of this dress. This is the red velvet fabric. I bought this like a while back, and I am actually really excited about making this dress for this client specifically, because I've been a follower of theirs for a while now, and I just really enjoy their content, and I feel like it's really exciting getting to see somebody who's also my age or like in my age bracket pursuing her dreams and being able to fulfill the life that she wants for herself. So she has just been an inspiration to me specifically, and I just am happy that I'm getting to make this dress for her, and hopefully you guys will get to see the dress on her as well. Okay, I laid out my pattern and I wanted to show you guys, because I know there's like a lot of other people on YouTube who are also trying to build their own channels and such, and I'm also guilty of feeling like I don't always have the best environment to make my videos, and that it has to look aesthetically pleasing, or also just fighting with sound and having a quiet environment. But I just want to let you guys know that I feel like I never have a quiet environment, and like where I'm at right now is probably not even the most, I wouldn't say adequate, like it's just not the most ideal place for me to be sewing and making a video. But I love sewing and I love making these kind of videos and being able to showcase what I do and making designs. And literally this is my environment right now because I'm cleaning not cleaning, I'm packing things up because I'm not even currently home right now. I'm at my grandparents' house right now, so like this is not the ideal place for me to be, but like for me to be sewing, because there's just so much clutter everywhere. But I'm still making it work. I have my little corner where I'm sewing, and yeah, I feel like I should be, like my face should be in this video, but I just wanted to express that with you guys because I have other friends, and like also just be seeing online how people just feel like that they don't have the like best place for them to even make their videos, but if it's what you really love to do, then you should just find a way to make it work, even if it's just like a little corner like what I have right now and the background is messy. Like, if that's what you have, that's what you have. And I feel like the right people will stay and watch your videos and will connect with you, and you should just like be your authentic self, because there's no point in like trying to like wait till it's perfect, because it's never gonna be perfect and you're losing time by not doing it now. So yeah, I just wanted to share that. But I'm about to cut out the front and then cut out the back and then get to sewing this dress. I'm still working on the ruffles part and I'm so close. I just want to be done with this already. It's just so tedious because the needle keeps getting caught with some of the threads that I had when I was using it to gather the ruffles. But I'm so close. I'm almost done. So I'm working on like the most tedious part of this dress, which is adding the ruffles. So I'm really just taking my time with this and being patient with myself because I need to practice that more. But I'm so close to finishing, and then I'm gonna show you guys me packaging the dresses and I'll be sending these out. I'm hoping by tomorrow the latest. I finished the dress, so it is now complete. The only thing I have to do left, well, I basically finished it. The last thing I have to do is I'm gonna trim off any threads, and then I'm also going to add the pearl draping in the back and then work on the scarf. So yeah, I'm basically done. I'm really just hand sewing on the pearl accessory and working on the scarf, which I hope doesn't take too long, but I'm planning to ship it tomorrow out to both of my clients. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to package it really nicely and everything, so I can't wait to show you guys how that looks. Oh, and I also have to add my clothing tags. So I finished putting the boxes together with the tape, and I just added some clear tape over it so that it stays. But yeah, this tape that I bought from Etsy is definitely more for like packaging with boxes, so that's good. Now I'm gonna use this tissue paper to stuff the boxes. And I'm using these colors since it's like Christmas time, and this dress is supposed to be like a holiday kind of dress, so I thought it'd be cute to use green and red. in here for now, but I'm gonna fold the dresses in the boxes and then lay the thank you cards on top once I get to UPS, and then put the rest of the tissue paper on top.